Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best slingbow is probably one of the most versatile and fascinating handheld weapons you can find, blending the power of a bow with the compact design of a slingshot, perfect for both recreational shooting and hunting small game. This comprehensive guide will cover everything you need to know about slingbows, from choosing the right model to mastering proper shooting techniques, ensuring you get the most out of this unique and exciting tool. Number 5. Stainless Hunting Slingshot. It's a powerful and accurate slingshot, perfect for hunting or target practice. The solid alloy construction ensures durability and precision. It comes with 3 high-velocity rubber bands for incredible power. The 6-hole design lets you customize it with different bands to match your needs. The built-in magnet makes reloading quick and easy. The wrist brace keeps the base stable for consistent shots. The leather-wrapped handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip for optimal control. Enjoy enhanced comfort and accuracy with every use. It includes everything you need to get started: extra rubber bands, steel balls, and even a small flashlight. You can also adjust the bands to fit your skill level. It's easy to assemble and use, making it ideal for hunting, exercise, or competitions. It's a great tool for improving focus and hand-eye coordination. What we like. It boasts a powerful design and multiple band compatibility for customized strength. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. If you prioritize power and adaptability in a slingshot, this is the one for you. What people say. I bought the slingshot to help with raccoon control, and it works great once you develop your aim technique and build confidence. Just remember that this slingshot is the real deal and is very powerful. Very well designed, no issues with the exception of the case and laser sight. Once the slingshot is put together, it won't fit properly in the carry case. Unlike previous reviews, I had no issues with the wrist rest. Easily adjustable once it's in place. Laser sight is a cheap LED flashlight with a laser pointer. It's great for just being there, but not really that functional. Weight is perfect, good balance, and the grip is solid. Bands are a bit shy of being super strength. I would recommend purchasing additional band length and then cutting your own to length if you want power and are looking for a higher feet-pound on the band. This slingshot is my second high-performance catapult and I love it. By far the highest power for heavy ammo I have found. Flat bands are snappier with ammo, I'm told, but the heavy ammo transfers kinetic energy in joules much better with this and similar triple-band slingshots. The bands themselves are not my favorite, but they are adequate for .50 cal steel ammo. As for ammo, I feel this is best powered by .50 cal steel, but it could easily hurl a 200 grain projectile far. It's great to have and much quieter than firearms. Number 4. TOPARCHERY Hunting Slingshot. Get ready to experience the ultimate in precision and power. This isn't your average slingshot, it's engineered for accuracy and performance. It's carefully designed with alloy materials and a sleek camouflage finish. The powerful springs deliver incredible speed and accuracy, unlike anything you've experienced before. With its superior energy storage, it can easily penetrate 5 centimeters of leather. That's the power of the TOPARCHERY hunting slingshot. The high-energy springs provide a faster shooting speed and greater distance than ordinary slingshots. It's the perfect combination of power and accuracy. It's great for target practice, hunting, or even as a collectible. You can even add an optional LED or laser sight for enhanced accuracy. Your purchase includes the slingshot and 2 replacement rubber bands. If you have any questions, contact us for support within 24 hours. What we like. This slingshot's design prioritizes accuracy and speed. The streamlined body and powerful springs ensure precise shots at greater distances. If pinpoint accuracy and high velocity are your main concerns, this slingshot is perfect for you. What people say. It works amazingly. I bow and crossbow hunt, and this slingshot keeps up with my bow and crossbow like a champ. Easy to use, and great for quick little hunting trips or target practice, or just fun shooting. This is a powerhouse of a slingshot. I'm still waiting on my arrows to come in, so I figured I'd get some glass balls and try it out. OMG, took me about 5 shots before my hand-eye coordination became acquainted with it, then boom, I'm ripping the Amazon box it came into shreds. I do throw tomahawks, and that is all about hand-eye coordination and repetition. There is no sight on a tomahawk. Load the ball, look at where you want to hit, draw and fire, keeping your eye on the target the whole way through. You can see the ball in flight and zipping through. I am very impressed with this weapon system. Number 3. Pocket Shot Arrow Kit. It's the arrow kit that fits in your pocket. Lightweight and powerful, it's perfect for on-the-go adventures. This amazing device lets you shoot arrows accurately, anywhere. It's small enough to carry everywhere. It's made with high-quality materials right here in the USA. You can trust in its durability and performance. You get everything you need: a pocket shot ring set, an arrow cap, 2 arrow pouches, and 4 knock covers. Everything is included for immediate use. It includes durable latex for powerful shots. Enjoy hours of fun and accurate shooting. Grab yours today and experience the thrill of shooting arrows from a device that fits in your pocket. It's the perfect gift for any occasion. What we like. Its compact size and arrow shooting capability make it incredibly portable and convenient. It's perfect for on-the-go use. If you're looking for a discreet and versatile option for shooting arrows, this is your best bet. What people say. I like this item. I have been using it for target practice. Works good for my purposes. I am having fun learning how to accurately launch arrows. This is very fun and very strong, no tears, no breaks, and easy to shoot and aim. Number 2. Slingshot Hunting Archery. This innovative slingshot is perfect for both hunting and target practice. It's versatile and easy to use, making it ideal for enthusiasts of all skill levels. It features a detachable arrow rest, allowing you to easily switch between arrows and other ammo. This adaptability makes it incredibly versatile. The integrated sight improves accuracy, helping you hit your target with greater precision. Enjoy a more satisfying shooting experience. It uses a spring-powered lever system for increased power and stability. This ensures consistent shots, every time. The comfortable grip and wrist support make it easy to use for extended periods. You'll appreciate the ergonomic design for comfortable and fatigue-free shooting. It comes with 100 high-quality copper balls and 4 durable rubber bands. You'll be ready to start shooting right away. What we like. This slingshot is designed for both arrow and ball shooting, offering versatility. The included copper balls are easy to spot, and the design promotes accuracy. If you want a slingshot that can handle both arrows and balls with precision, this is it. What people say. Compacto y potente. Bonito Jugit. Number 1. Steel Ball Bow Archery Compound Bow. This innovative bow combines the power of a compound bow with the versatility of a slingshot. It's perfect for archery, hunting, or even fishing. It features aviation aluminum construction and imported Gordon bow limbs for superior strength and accuracy. The new bearing splitting system ensures consistent performance. Easily adjust the draw weight from 30 to 60 pounds and the draw length from 20 to 30 inches without needing any special tools. It's adaptable to any archer's needs. This amazing bow can shoot steel balls, arrows, and even be used for fishing. It truly is a 3-in-1 tool. It comes complete with everything you need to get started, including extra limbs, stabilizers, and tools. You'll be ready to shoot in minutes. This bow is ambidextrous, suitable for both left and right-handed users. Everyone can enjoy its versatility and power. What we like. Its adjustable draw weight and length cater to various skill levels and preferences. It's also suitable for shooting steel balls and arrows. If you need a powerful and versatile slingshot with adjustable settings, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It is good and heavy for long wear. This one fits way better and much easier to put on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.